Hello, hi friends. Are you curious to know how much you can earn by coaching online? In this video, I will tell you the estimated earning you can make by coaching online. So let's start this video. Hi, my name is RC Pageda and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. This will give me the motivation to make more videos. So what is the online earning potential by coaching online? Let us start this video. How much you can earn by coaching online? The earning potential by coaching online is starting from, if you are starting as a new coach, then it is starting from $1.5 thousand to $10,000. You can reach these figures within a year, or if you do the fast work and if you implement the systems correctly, then you can achieve these figures within 6 to 9 months also. So how you will earn this? I will cover the how to earn this, and then I will cover how to start online coaching journey, and in the last I will give you my offer to start this journey. So let's start how to earn this amount. The number one point is your digital products. In this case, your digital products are your courses, your coaching programs, your webinars, and all the stuff that you can do digitally from your home to the students for learning something new in your niche. So the digital products earning potential is, if you make 30 sales per month of $50 product, this is the benchmark price, the lowest benchmark. You should keep $50 selling price of your product, at least if you are developing a good product. And if you are not able to develop a good product, then there is high chances of your failure. First, you should develop good product, then you have to start selling. So if you sell 30 products of $50, then you are going to make $1,500 per month from your digital products. And the next is affiliate marketing. While doing online coaching business, you can do affiliate marketing very well, and affiliate marketing is one of the best way to make money online. In the affiliate marketing, the total estimated earning you can make is $500 per month, and this may be recurring. There are so many programs in digital niche that are giving you recurring commission on their billing, and if you are able to make customers for recurring billing, then this is going to be your passive income stream, and that is not going to stop anyway. So the earning potential I have calculated, estimated earning from affiliate marketing is $500. Number 3 source of income is one-to-one and group coaching. Once you are having your digital products that are not going to solve the problem fully, you have to provide them weekly calls or fortnightly calls or monthly calls, whatever you want to prefer as per your niche. So by doing that, you can also charge for one-to-one and group coaching. Most people are charging $50 to $100 per session for their one-to-one and group coaching. That way you can also earn $5 per month easily if you are starting a new coach. I have calculated these values for a new coach and the lowest amount of earning potential. So this is also going to be $500 per month as your earning. And number 4 is collaborating with others. Nowadays, who is not collaborating? Idea and Vodafone, they are the top companies of telecom industry, but they have also collaborated to survive in the market. So collaborating is going to be future of the business. So by collaborating with others in the different niche, you can sell your product. If you do 2 webinars in a month and make 10 sales per webinar, then you are going to make 20 sales per month. And by making 20 sales, you are going to earn $1,000 per month, and that opportunity you can provide to your collaborating partner also for your community. So let's calculate the math. What is the earning potential? What is the total earning? I have calculated estimated total earning is $3,500. From this, you are going to spend money on your advertisement and tools also. I have calculated that with together in the ad expenditure. So you are going to spend $1,500 in your ads or in your tools. And the net profit is $2,000 per month that you can achieve within 6 months. If you follow the proper steps and if you having the potential to share your knowledge, then you can achieve this within 6 months. And if you are doing in normal pace, then you can achieve this within 12 months. Time may vary between 6 to 12 months, or it may extend if you are not able to dedicate fully for this business only. So this is the earning potential and how you will earn $2,000 per month. Now, how to start this journey? To start this journey, I will cover this journey in 3 parts. Number 1 is find a mentor. Without a mentor, you can't start and you don't know where to go. So first, you should find the mentor, and mentor will show you the path where to go and how to go. Then you have to join a community. Nowadays, most of the mentors are maintaining their community to support each other and to create an environment for success. So find a mentor, join a community, and third one is start working today. The best time to start working on building your MSI ecosystem. MSI ecosystem is multiple streams of income ecosystem that can give you time and financial freedom. So start working today. And what is the my offer? You are watching this video till now, then I have to give you my offer also. And my offer is, number 1 is I am going to provide you free MSI guide, multiple streams of income guide. You will find the link to download that MSI guide in the description of this video. In that guide, I have mentioned from first step to last step what is going to be your journey. You will find the way to achieve your target or your goal. And the number 2 offer from my side is free one-to-one clarity session. This may go off anytime. This is going to be your personal. I am going to guide you through your personal list. I am not going to guide you in general. In YouTube videos, I am guiding you in general, but if you are going to book clarity session with me, then I am going to guide you for your personal list, for your personal capabilities, for your personal obstacles, and that will going to help you to achieve the result very fast and be a successful online coach. So this offer can go out. Download MSI guide today. You will find the link to book clarity session on the last page of MSI guide. Go through MSI guide, and on the last you will find the link where you can book one-to-one clarity session with me as per availability of my time. You will be prompted to choose your time, and if I am available at that time, you can book the clarity session. And the number 3 is special discount for you. I am selling my products always at special discount, but I am going to give you extra discount over and above that special discount. And for doing that, I am going to give you a code in the one-to-one clarity session. By using that code, you can lock your extra special discount over and above that normal running special discount. So please tell me what you have learned from this video and what you are going to take your next action. If you are going to take your next action today, please comment below that I am going to take action today or I am in, and then please download that MSI guide where you will be guided through to book clarity session, and in clarity session I will be giving you the special discount code, and by doing that you can lock your position today, and this is going to be change your life forever. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please like the video, and if you have still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. It gives me motivation to make more videos, and I will be serving you more and more in future. Thank you.